Hello guys, good evening to all of you. Hope you all are well. Welcome back to this channel. So in this session we will discuss about the job openings from Qatar. It's a Gulf country. Hope you all know that. So if you are looking for a job in any Gulf country, then this is a golden chance for you because if your CV will be select, you can attend the interview. Once you selection from interview, you will get free visa on all details by the company. You don't need to pay any single money. So guys, I will discuss with you what is the job openings, how to apply, and after you apply, how you can crack the interview. Once you crack the interview, all process will be start by the company. You no need to pay anything. I already told you. So let's start without any let. This is a multiple vacancies from Qatar and urgent openings. Long term visa will be provided. Opening for a leading oil and gas company. So this is a good chance. Those candidates who have experience in oil and gas industry, because they will get easily this job if they have relevant experience. So let's discuss about job profile. So the job position is number one, senior process engineer. Number two, senior mechanical engineer. Number three, senior instrument and control engineer. Number four, senior rotating engineer. So guys, as you can see, this all four jobs are high profile jobs. The minimum of 12 years of experience in international company requirements. Your qualification should be bachelor's degree in relevant positions. And operations and maintenance experience in offshore is needed. So guys, the thing is, if you are looking for a job with a high salary, you should have the experience, because all company requirements the experience holder. So guys, the thing is, if you have relevant experience and proper qualifications, no need to be wait, apply as soon as possible. And if once you apply, your CV will be shortlisted for interview, then you have to attend the interview in the particular date and time which is fixed by the company. And once you crack the interview, of course, you will get a good opportunity in Qatar. So guys, there is a urgent vacancies. So I already shared with you what is the job profile and what is the qualifications and experience requirements to apply for this job. And now let's discuss the applying process. The applying process is very simple. You have to forward your CV with all documents to the given official email ID, and this email ID you can get in the descriptions below this video. I already provided. You can collect this information from the description. And the next thing, please make your CV be professional and mention all relevant experience qualifications. And guys, there are some contact numbers from these office who is processing, who will be consistency by the client. So one important thing I would like to tell you here, these contact numbers is for to verify. You have to verify these contact numbers. I am sharing with you information. This is the latest job openings from Qatar. You can apply by this email ID. Next thing, very important point is, you have to verify the office through which you will be processed. This is very important, because I don't want any of my single viewers or my single subscribers facing any fraud. So always I am giving you the correct information, and I don't want any type of fraud. So the responsibility by you, that is, you have to verify, you have to check that this office is genuine or not. Once you feel this is genuine and your interview will be success, after your interview success, after your verification that this is office is genuine, then you can proceed forward to next. So I already shared with you all the things. Still, if you have any confusion, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will be try to give you the answer. And again, I would like to repeat you, this is the latest job openings from Qatar. The experience requirements from oil and gas company. Various types of engineer jobs are available there, and bachelor's degree in relevant positions is mandatory. 12 years of experience is requirements minimum of, and operations and maintenance experience is offshore requirements. and candidates should have the international experience. So basically this job is for only Gulf experience holder or international Gulf experience international experience holder. So applying process is simple. You have to forward your all documents to the given official email ID. This email ID available in the descriptions. And the last point and the important point is you have to verify this office after your selection, because after your selection they will ask you to start the process for visa. That time you have to verify this office is genuine or not. I already collect this is genuine, but still this is a responsible from your side that you have to verify this office is genuine. So after your selection from interview, after your verification that this app is genuine, then you will move forward. And the company will provided all the visa fees, all the things. If anybody asks for money, never give to them. And if you think that this office is not genuine by your survey or by your verification process, then no need to be processed. I am telling you very clearly. I am trying to give you the informations. You have to try again and again if you are looking for a abroad job, because abroad job is not so easy. You have to try again and again, and you have to focus, and you have to mindset if you are really looking for a abroad job. So the focus should be you should get a good job in any country with a good salary and without waste of money and without waste of time. This is my suggestion to you. So be careful for all the things, collect this information, but you have to verify, then you can apply. And after you apply, you have to attend the interview. After you getting success from the interview, you have to verify the office, then you can proceed forward to complete the job process. So this is the all about, I already shared all the things which is the reality. And I hope you will share this information to your friends and relatives. And this information is very very important for all job seekers. And finally, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. And in the next video, I will try to give you the information about latest job openings from any countries. After that, stay with this channel, check each and every video and match your profile and apply as soon as possible. Of course, one day you will get a abroad job. Best of luck. Bye bye.